Now, if you're having problems with products not being shipped to certain locations, like if you're like if, for example, a customer is trying to buy a T-shirt on a country like on Australia, and they can't buy it because the main reason the main reason why that is happening is because your shipping zone is not properly set up. So to fix that, you want to go to your settings at the bottom left here, and you want to go to the section for shipping and delivery. Now, if you can actually edit your existing shipping profile here. Go and select that. Scroll down a bit here, and you want to go and choose the international section here, or whichever location that you want. And basically, you can go and just edit it. Now, you can go and just click on the add shipping zone, and basically add a shipping zone here that you want to ship to. But then again, if you want to only edit the international one, you can go and click on the three dot option here, click on edit zone, edit the existing one, and select the country that you want to ship to. Now, obviously, you can only select countries that is available in here. But if it's not available, you need to manage your markets. So you want to go and click on add more countries, regions, and markets. Now, in here, you want to go and just make sure that you add a country. So you want to go ahead and click on create market at the top right. And maybe we want to add a market. Let's go and add a condition here. Now, maybe we want to ship to, like, let's just say, this is just an example. We want to ship to maybe in Nepal. Let's go and select that one. Click on done. And let's go and just add Nepal here and click on save. Now, once you have this available, now you can go and click on manage shipping here at the very top here. And again, you want to go and just choose your existing profile. And you want to go and just choose the international section. Click on the three option. Click on edit zone. Now, you want to go and just scroll down over here, and Nepal should now be available. Select that. Click on done. And also, another thing is you need to make sure that your products is also included in your profile. Now, some products may not be available in here. So let's go and click on save here. So let's go and click on shipping settings here. So that just to make sure our products are actually included. But then again, if you want to create a specific profile for your product, you go and click on create a custom profile here. Click on add product and just choose all the products that you want to add to your shipping profile. Like, for example, I want to add like only my test product here. Click on done. Now let's just say there's going to be a test profile, and you go and choose your fulfillment. Click on add shipping zone. Let's go and choose Philippines as an example. Click on add shipping zone again, and maybe I want to ship to, let's just say, Asia, and click on done. And let's go and just say this is going to be for Asia. Click on done. And yeah, so we now have different sections here, like Philippines and also for Asia. Now you can go edit the appropriate one. Click on edit zone, or you could add your own rates for each of this one, and just click on save once you are done. Now, obviously, you need to fill out all the details: shipping, pick up in store, sample box, all those stuff. Like even for test here, we now have a different profile for it. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.